First, let's assemble the track laying machine.
And now we need to fuel the track laying machine. Pump. Hooray! Let's lay rails and sleepers. We need to wash the track laying machine. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the dray scene. You are doing really great. Let's load road signs onto the dray scene. Ready. Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. We need to wash the dray scene. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the railroad excavator. We did it! First, let's fuel the railroad excavator. Press the pump. That's all. Let's dig an excavation pit for the foundation. We need to wash the railroad excavator. Ready.
You're doing really great. Let's load the concrete mixer. Hooray! Let's pour concrete for the foundation and make a platform. We need to fix a crack on the concrete. Hooray! Let's grind the welding seam. Ready. Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. Keep it up. First, let's assemble the open wagon. Hooray! Now let's load bricks for the first floor onto the open wagon. Hooray! Let's build the first floor of the station. Let's wash the open wagon. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. We need to fix a crack on the... Ready. And now let's grind the seam. Keep it up. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. That's all. Let's assemble the... Keep up the good work. Let's load the flat car. Amazing! Let's build the walls of the second floor. Let's wash the flat car. Don't stop. Let's assemble the glass transporting car. You're doing really great. Now let's load windows and doors into the glass transporting car. We did it! Let's install windows and doors. We need to fix a crack on the glass transporting car. That's all. And now let's grind the seam. Amazing! Look at the cloud and choose the same color. Hooray! Let's assemble the crane. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the crane. Pump. Amazing! Let's make a canopy and a roof. We need to wash the crane. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble the bucket lift. Amazing! First, let's fuel the bucket lift. Press the pump. We did it! Let's decorate the station building. We need to fix a crack on the bucket lift. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. Hooray! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. That's all. Let's assemble the locomotive. Ready. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Push the pump to fill the locomotive with water. You're doing really great. Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Amazing! We need to assemble the dining car. Amazing! Now let's load furniture into the dining car. Hooray! Let's load luggage into cars. Now let's wash the dining car. Hooray! Let's assemble the train. Go on. Ready. The train has arrived. Let's conduct passengers to their seats.